let's show that this is true. That is, y equals f of x implies that the y dx will be equal to this. So all I'm going to start with doing will be to write y equals f of x implies that y plus an infinitesimal change in y will be equal to f of x plus an infinitesimal change in x. That's my first step. The next step will be to make change in y, the infinitesimal change in y, the subject of formula, and that would imply having this minus y. Now, y we are told is equal to f of x, so I'm going to replace that by saying infinitesimal change in y will be equal to f of x plus change in x minus what y is, which is f of x. And that concludes that step. The next step will be to get my gradient function. Guys, your gradient function is change in y over change in x. So to get my gradient function, which is change in y over change in x, all I have to do is to divide both sides of this last equation by change in x. So I'm going to do that quickly. Dividing both sides by change in x. Now, the next step I'm going to take, now that I've gotten my gradient function, is to remember or recall that the limiting value of the gradient function gives the derivative dy dx. So I'm going to take the limiting value of change in y all over change in x as change in x tends to 0. And that will be taking the limiting value as change in x tends to 0 of f of x plus change in x minus f of x all over change in x. This defines dy dx. So dy dx is equal to the limiting value of change in x as it tends to 0 of f of x plus change in x minus f of x all over change in x. And this proves what